this, fellas. This is the new daily, my 2004 2-valve Mustang GT.
Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is my 2004 Mustang GT build. I bought this car about a year ago, bone stock, just with a Catback exhaust, and this is a very focus-oriented build. I built this car to do one thing and one thing only, and I went straight for that immediately. Hope you guys do enjoy, and if you guys do, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn those post notifications.
Today is the day, man. Borla attacks. Going on my 2004 Mustang GT. I always wanted to put this exhaust system on a V8. I told myself, once I get a V8, this is 110% going on the car, and it's finally happening. This is gonna be the last cold start with the MagnaFlow MagnaPack exhaust, and then we're gonna be moving on to the Borla attacks. Unleash hell. Bro, popping every single shift. Oh my god. Told you, he going crazy. Picked up a Vortech V1 Ti trim supercharger for the 2004 Mustang GT, man. All right, first startup of the Vortech Supercharged New Edge Mustang GT. Oh, it's loud. Damn, it's loud. Oh my god. Wow. This blow-up valve is so loud. I'm not even gonna rev it, but it's gonna be screaming. This head unit is so loud. First startup with the BBK long tube headers, the LAR Performance Off-Road X Pipe, Borla ATAK Catback exhaust, and a Vortech V1 T trim supercharger. Let's see what this thing sounds like now. Never mind, it's louder. Okay. Alright. We're gonna do like a little test here. Right here. Oh yeah, we spun nasty. Yep, it's actually not bad. We spun bad right there, holy cow. Yeah, I need to get some space though. I don't want to be too high in the RPMs. Here you go, man. Second gear, 3,500. Oh my god. I don't even go wide open throttle right there. Woo! I don't think it's my transmission, I think it's my clutch. So I'm just gonna blow all these lights because I can't really stop and I'm not really close to the house. And I have my hazards on, so I'm just gonna blow all these lights and hopefully get back to the house. We made it. Whew. As you guys can see here, well, it's fucking gone. It literally stuck to the ground. Like, I can't get into gear. All right, so I finally got the car pulled up into my place. Terrible park job, but it is what it is. I'm gonna get this car towed tomorrow. Whew, so we can figure out what went wrong. I'm 99% sure it was the clutch.
As you guys can see here, I'm not in my Mustang. I'm walking around my apartment again. We're doing one of these style of videos. Unfortunately, this week has been pretty crazy. I've had to get a lot of stuff done, so I haven't had a chance to go ahead and get the Mustang taken care of. I went ahead and picked up pretty much the entire build sheet for the 1200 horsepower Mustang. We went ahead and bought the motor, everything, cams, heads, we got everything pretty much ordered for the car. This whole setup that I'm gonna be doing for this car is gonna support upwards of 1200 to 1300 horsepower. Obviously, I'm not gonna go ahead and run 1300 horsepower on the street. That's way too much horsepower.
Finally got this car moving. Got a new McLeod street clutch in here. Car pretty much drives almost the same as stock. It's filthy right now. I'm actually about to go wash the car because I do have to drop it off to get some parts painted. This is actually gonna be the last day you guys are gonna see this car. With this hood, this bumper in this condition, that front lip, and the rear bumper. So here it is, guys. Here's what the car looks like with the Cervini's 4-inch cowl hood. Let me know what y'all think. Also got a new rear bumper as well. I guess the only thing left is just to repaint the whole car, because obviously the fresh hood paint, you can kind of see where the difference is between like the older paint and the newer paint. But I don't think I'm gonna go with white though. I might go with like that, I don't know what it's called, like the purplish on like the 2018 Plus Mustangs. I think that would look really good in the new edge. Oh, look at that. Hell yeah. These look so good. Really, really excited, man. Just gotta wait for the front runners. I know those are gonna look crazy on the car. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think, man. Do you guys like the S81s? Or do you guys like the S71s like I have here? On the new edge Mustangs, I think S71s are the way to go.